Okay, number 5, uranium-238 and uranium-234 are radioactive isotopes of the element uranium. Uranium-238 nucleus is different from uranium-234 nucleus, but both decay by the emission of alpha particle. Oh, okay. Question A. In terms of the particle each, state how a nucleus uranium-238 differs from a nucleus of uranium-234. Okay, we see this, yeah. This is different about mass number. Yeah, 238 and 234, but they on isotope. So number of proton is same. Yeah, same in number of proton. So, see this. This because isotope, so number of protons same. Yeah, we can put right here. Yeah, same proton number. So if proton number is same, what differ here from nucleus 234 by uranium 238? Ya. Apa yang membedakan kalau kayak gitu? Yang membedakan karena isotopnya sama, so this is about delta mass number minus proton number. Yeah. So this is about neutron. Yeah. This is about neutron. Yeah. Number of neutron. Yeah. Yang membedakan this is number of neutron. Yeah. Because isotope, yeah, isotope proton number is same. So 238 minus something different with 234 minus something. Number of neutron. So also because this is 238, this is 234, so they have 4, yeah, 4 more, yeah, 4 more of neutron, yeah. That's it. I repeat again, yeah. Uranium 238 and uranium 234 are radioactive isotope. Yeah. You may see this isotope, the isotope one. Yeah. Of the element uranium. Yeah. So isotope same protons number. Yeah. Uranium 338 nucleus is different from uranium 234 nucleus, but both decay by emission of alpha particle. So in them the particle is that how nucleus uranium 238 differs from nucleus of uranium 234. Yeah. Yeah, so this is number of neutron, or they have four more number. Yeah, four more neutrons. Okay, continue to question II. Although two nuclei are different, yeah, they are both nuclei of uranium. Yes. State a property that makes this isotope the same element. This is same number of proton. Yeah. State property this state same number of protons. Yeah. Or atomic number. Yeah. Atomic number. Also, they have, yeah, because number of proton, yeah, in neutral atom it's equal with the number of electron. So we can say this is also number of electron. Yeah, uh, number of electron, but in neutral atom, yeah, in neutral atom. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Okay, say the big question. When alpha particle pass through air, yeah, they are more strongly ionizing than beta particle. Yeah. Suggest two reasons why this is so. Oh, ah. Oh yeah, this is about information that alpha they have strongly ionization, ya, ionizing, ya, mengionisasi, ya, menguraikan, ya, merusak, ya, merusak atom yang lainnya karena dia mengionisasi, ya. Hmm. Um, why? The first one, yeah, alpha particle, that's helium nuclei. So they have large in charge, ya. Uh, Satu bisa dikatakan ini adalah uh, large, uh, large charge. Then slowly in motion, yeah, or slower moving, yeah. Yeah. Particle alpha is helium nuclei. Beta particle is electron, yeah. So particle alpha they have larger charge than beta particle. Yeah. Particle alpha also slower moving. Why? Because ya particle inti atom helium itu adalah bigger than ya beta particle. Oh ya, we can see this is also uh, apa namanya massive ya, lebih lebih apa namanya lebih massive ya, more massive. Yeah, I think this is any two lines from this year and two two reason from this year. Uh, atau bisa dikatakan juga they have more energy. Yeah. Depends particle beta particle. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Uh, okay, we have Matthew, Gaurav, Adriel, Aurelius, James. Oh, only six ya. Adriel, Gaurav, Matthew, Aurelius, James, Agung. Oh, where the others? Okay, let's copy this. We will see. Continue to see question. Oh, kayaknya kita perlu up dikit. Okay. See question. In an experiment, yeah, alpha particles are allowed to strike a thin gold foil in vacuum. Almost all the alpha particles pass straight through a gold undeflected. Only a very small number of alpha particles are deflected from their original path. Okay. This result reveals certain feature of atom of the gold. Yeah. Okay. State what is shown about atom by the fact that. Okay. Jadi in experiment alpha particle ya strike a thin gold ya gold foil ya in vacuum. Nah, sekarang dari fakta itu apa tuh ya? Kenapa most particle pass straight to the gold undeflected? You know alpha is positive charge ya. Oh no no no. Gini, kita lebih deflectednya itu not as ripple of charge ya. Hmm, wait. Mass of particle pass straight to the gini. This is about space ya. This is about space. Karena not yang tadi Bapak bilang itu ripple ya. You know when this I draw first ya. Let's say like this one. Let's say this is nuclei and this is orbit of electron. Yeah. Hmm. So when particle alpha, yeah, have a strike line, yeah. So maybe like this one. This is particle alpha. Our assumption this is a particle alpha. Yeah. Hmm. This I use you can see this. Yeah. Why alpha particle pass track drop the gold undeflected? Yeah, because space. Yeah, because space. More space to undeflected. Ya. Ini kalau begini, ini pasti ke sini. Nah. You can see this, yeah. They have 4 lines, yeah, deflected, yeah, and they have 2 lines. Sorry, 4 lines undeflected, and they have 2 lines of deflected, yeah, and they have one line, one line only apa namanya terbelokkan itu apa itu ya. Now this is different, yeah. This is different. Why? Because particle alpha is positive, nuclei also positive, yeah. And then the electron in here is negative. Nih, kalau tertulis ya. Here is
positif sama negatif jadinya attract kan?
Iya, attract hanya karena dia saking cepatnya sehingga tidak bisa ke attract. Jadi dia cuma menyelinap aja. Nah, ini di sini elektron nih. Let's say ini elektron minus ya. Ini jadi in here electron. This nuclei. We can say yeah, atom is mostly empty space yeah. Atom yeah. Atom is mostly empty space yeah. Ini lebih banyak empty space ya. Or dan nukleus ini very small ya. Nukleus ini very small ya, sehingga ini masih banyak yang bisa lewat ya. Dan juga mass ini concentrate ya, on the center or nucleus. Ini yang menyebabkan kenapa banyak yang lewat saja, ya. Tapi sedikit yang deflected. Ya. Now, so for answer the question some alpha particle deflected back the way they come. Why? Because this is charge concentrated, yeah, at the center, yeah, at center or nuclei. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Okay, we will continue after around 5 minutes later. Yeah, I will take drinking bottle first. Yeah, thank you.
Pak Widodo Widodo, may I talk?
Yes, Aurelius.
Kalau itu Pak, kalau ada elektron tuh maksudnya ini kan kalau kegesek sedikit agak gatul Pak. Kalau benda ada
Oh,
elektron.
oh itu mah bukan elektron, itu something inside on your skin kayak itu bukan. Kalau elektron tuh kecil sekali, Aurelius. Itu elektron itu contohnya di current lah, arus listrik ya. Kenapa lampu bisa menyala? Kemudian kenapa you have electronic device itu bekerja itu karena ada elektron yang bergerak gitu, mengisi charge itu ya. Kalau gatel itu bukan, itu biologi, itu apa namanya, ada kuman or apa jamur atau
Jarang mani Pak itu Pak.
iya bukan, beda lagi. Elektron itu kalau misalkan Aurelius apa namanya short itu ya, apa namanya kesetrum ya, short current gitu, kesetrum listrik. Nah itu ada elektron yang berpindah dari satu device ke body kita gitu ya. Ya, oke. Continue ya, kita continue to the, coba apa ini, next number. Oke, pelan-pelan ya, ini biar kita paham tentang radioactivities and nuclei. In a famous experiment, a beam consisting a very large number of alpha particles was projected in a vacuum at a very thin gold foil. Okay, so the path of three of alpha particle A, B, C traveling toward the foil. Oh, ini A, B, C ternyata semuanya alpha ya, alpha particle, not alpha, beta, and gamma. Dan ini gold foil, sangat tipis ya, thin gold foil. Oke, alpha particle A is traveling along line which does not pass very close in the gold nucleus. And B is traveling along line which passes close gold nucleus. Particle alpha C is traveling directly toward gold nucleus. Wow. Explain why alpha particle and gold nucleus repel each other. Nah, repel. Ini kalau yang seperti tadi kalian bilang ya, Gaurav bilang, kalau repel itu berarti dia same charge ya. Alpha and gold itu same charge. Repel. Berarti ya both have positive or same charge ya. Both have same charge. Have same charge. Yeah. Or this is positive ya, same positive charge. Ya, alpha is positive ya, gold also positive. Yeah. Okay, that's it. And second question for the B question. On figure 11.1, draw lines with arrow to show continually path alpha particle A, B, C. Kita lihat aja nih. Is traveling a lot line which does not pass very close. Ini does in toward. Maybe gini. Kalau kita lanjutkan ya, trace-nya itu ini yang dari toward. Sebentar. plus. Oke, maybe ini nah, seperti itu. Dan dia reflect ya. The second one does not pass very close. Maybe seperti yang tadi ini seperti gini ya. Wait. Oh, salah. Sorry. Ada yang salah. Continuous along. Oh, I see. This is continue along path, and this is reflected. And this is from I deflected. Oh, sama seperti yang tadi ya, same thing with before. Okay, this is because the first one they have they don't have any charge when they has travel, yeah, this ray, or for A, and then for B they have meet with same charge, yeah, same charge. That's it's nuclei, yeah, because nuclei is same charge in positive charge. And the third one is when they come meet with the electrons. Yeah. Okay. Question B. In figure 110, C. State two conclusions about gold atom which resulted from the experiment. Okay. They have two particles. Yeah. The first particle is in the center, yeah, with positive charge, and they have negative charge in other position, ya. Jadi kalau kita charge of nucleus.
Oh wait.
Yes.
Oh yang E lurus, yang B ke itu.
Dia deflected dia, because ketemu dari nuklei, ketemu inti atom.
Jadi tengah-tengahnya itu intinya.
Iya.
Kalau yang C?
Kalau yang C dia ketemu elektron ini, negative charge.
Kalau yang E?
Kalau yang E dia nggak ketemu, dia ketemu di empty space. This is empty space. This is gini ya, kalau sertulis, because they meet empty space. Ya, okay. And here they are. This is made with nuclei. Yeah. And here electron. Yeah. Oke, conclusionnya ya ini atom itu adalah mostly banyak space yang kosong ya, empty space. Ya. Atom mostly empty space. In other conclusion also, nucleus it's very small, yeah, smaller than the atom. Yeah. Nucleus is very small. Than the atom. Yeah. Yes, nucleus itu enggak pakai nucleus. Oh. Yes. Kurang lebih seperti itu ya.
Coba.
Yes, Aurel? No. Okay, we will continue after around 3 minutes lah, 3 minutes later. Maybe kalau kita gambarkan nih ya guys, kenapa seperti itu? Nah, atom itu seperti ini. Maybe. Nah, kurang seperti itu ya. Jadi atom ya, they have more empty space ya, and atom they have nuclei with positive charge ya, positive charge. And they have electron also on the orbital ya. Elektron ini dia yang bisa menyimpangkan dari partikel si ini ya. Because this is positive ya, positive charge ya, positive meet with negative, Actually, they want to attract, but because this is high velocity, so they only passing only ya, lewat doang. Ya. Okay, we try continue to number 7 ya. Oh, only one number again ya. Cuma tinggal satu number lagi. There are two stable naturally occurring isotope of hydrogen. Yeah. Common hydrogen, hydrogen 1, has a proton number of 1 and a nucleon number of 1. Yes. Hydrogen 2 or deuterium has a nucleon number of 2. Yes. There are also radioactive isotope of hydrogen called tritium, hydrogen 3, yeah, with a nucleon number of 3. Yeah. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2 is deuterium, hydrogen 3 is tritium. Yeah, they have different number in nucleon. Yeah. Okay, nucleon number of hydrogen is 1, deuterium is 2, and tritium is 3. Yeah. Complete the table for neutral atom of this isotope. Hydrogen 1. Oh. Number of proton, neutron, electron. Yeah. Hydrogen 1 ya, 1 ya. This one, one in proton, and this is same thing to electron too. Yeah. Because in neutral, yeah. So this is 1. Di sini jadi 0 ya. Sorry. Number of neutron is 0 because 1. Yeah. This is 0. So, what about hydrogen 2, deuterium? Deuterium 2 H 1, yeah. Number of proton is 1 also. Yeah. 1. Proton 1, yeah. And neutron 1, yeah. What about number of electron? 1, 2, yeah. Because amount of electron same with amount of proton. Yeah. So what about this one, neutron 1? Yeah, because hydrogen 2. Yeah. Deuterium, they have 1 proton, 1 neutron in the nuclei. Hydrogen 3, they have 3. Yeah. Sorry, proton. They have 2. Yeah. And neutron, they have 1. And kayaknya kebalik deh. Ini kalau netral, ini protonnya 1 sama dengan neutron ya. Sorry, kebalik. Nah, ini 2, ini 1, ya. Nah, di elektron ini same thing with amount of proton, 1, 2. Nah, seperti itu.